This is exactly how to connect Hello Blink Sticker Maker. So what you need to do firstly on your mobile is to go into settings here on your mobile, and then you need to make sure that the Bluetooth here is turned on. So go into Bluetooth as you can see, and make sure that you turn on Bluetooth right here by just flicking on right here. Otherwise this will not work, just so you know. And then on your Hello Blink Sticker Maker here itself, what you need to do is to find this button here. So this button, click and hold until you will get a blinking blue light around this area right here. So just click and hold until the blue light starts blinking, indicating that it is now turned on. What you need to do after that is to open up the case here as you can see, and make sure that you put the paper roll in here as you can see, so that it can actually print for you. Then what you need to do is to open up the Hello Blink app. You can get it on the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play Store if you have an Android. And then just click on set up your printer here as you can see. And then if you turned on your Hello Blink sticker maker by clicking here once again, then you should be able to see it here as you can connect to. So just click on yours right here. And then the next step is going to be for you to choose your sticker shape. So for example, square or circle here as you can see. So I just clicked on circle here. And then you can see you can either take a photo right away, import a photo, or use their create option here, and they will basically give you suggestions on what you can use. And then once you're done, you can just click on use this image after that and print it. But basically this is exactly how to connect your Hello Blink sticker maker.